If you're studying for your GED, these flashcards come ready to use right out of the box, and they're also color coordinated. So let me show you everything that's included. It's great that these come in a box like this because there is no excuse to not study since everything is so portable. There are 4 main categories here when it comes to studying. We have science, social studies, reasoning through language arts, and mathematical reasoning. Everything corresponds to the color of the cards here, and if you ever forget which is which, then the company does give you a table of contents. The first thing that I wanted to point out here is that these are numbered. You'll see that we have numbers 1 all the way through 90. The science had 90, and here for social studies, we have 106. There's 62 for reasoning through language arts, and 67 for mathematical reasoning. The spaced repetition of having flashcards like this really makes it to where we can memorize things a lot easier. You'll see here in the mathematical reasoning section, number 1, we have absolute value, and I did just want to show this to you as an example. So here's just going to explain what this is for us. So by having these flashcards, reading it and then rereading it, it just makes it a lot easier to let this all soak in. I also like that this is telling us what this is as well as an example. Here it says the distance a number is from 0 on the number line, whether it's positive or negative. And then for example, the absolute value of -3 and 3 are both 3. This is written as 3. Here's an example of the one for language arts. It says plot line, and then it tells you what that is: the introduction, rising action, conflict, climax, falling action, and resolution of a story. The example of number 1 for physical versus cultural geography, you could turn it over and then it'll tell you the difference between the two. And it's a similar theme here for our sciences. So I think these are very easy to read. I also like that we have the boldness on the back like we do when it comes to being able to explain differences between 2 different things. I think these are fantastic quality. I'm glad that the company sent me these ones to try, and hopefully this helps.